Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Thanks for stopping by. So today's video is a Co-Beads design team unboxing. And this time I went for smaller things. I don't know where, let's see. Alright, first, okay, now these did not come in this tin. I put these in this tin. This is one of those Dollar Tree Jot magnetic tins. They're all loose. And they didn't, let's see, they came like this. Let me show you. So when you order these, you get 10 strands all tied together. And they're, well, this particular one is all the different colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 strands, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, I thought when I got them, I would separate them by color, and I have yet to do that. But this container, I got 2 strands of 10. Maybe it was 20 strands, and they tied it in 10s. But Billy actually sat down and helped me undo all these strands and empty all the little beads into here. So I did think they were a little bit bigger. I'm not sure what dimension or what millimeter this is. And they're squishy. Like, I don't know if you can see that, but they bend. They're not hard like. They'd be cute for, you know, little bead dangles. And then I thought also they could be shaker bits too. So this is a whole 10 strands that fits in this can. You can see it's right at the top there. So yeah, those are going to be fun to play with. Some I can even leave on the strand, you know, tie it off. Use a little short piece if I wanted to. I could make bracelets out of it. It could be a mask holder. You can do a lot with this. A lot. So that is the first thing. I'll move these over. Okay, and then I was trying to think outside the box this time. Normally I do go for the dies. I'm not going to lie. But I thought I would find other things this time. So this one came with two rolls, and it's this. Ooh, it says masking tape. Yeah, it says masking tape. 100 millimeters by 5 meters. But you can see it's like, it's just, you know, a little bit of everything. You know, there's lines and then like dots over there and some here. And I thought that would be good to make really basis for anything. You know, put it on your cardstock and press it down good. You can die cut from it. You can do anything with that. Any rosettes, anything that you want. Here's one that is already out of the plastic. If you can see, there's like almost like a watercolor smudge type thing, and then like a smudge there, and then the X's. I should have went ahead and put a piece onto some paper. Oh, goodness. Sorry about that. Hopefully you guys can see. There's the scribbles. And it's very pastel. Beautiful pastel colors. So 2 came in that one. And like I said, I already have quite a few ideas on that one on what to do with it. So, and those 2 came together. And then, let's see. Oh, another washi pack I got. It comes with 7. You get this. Let's see. Well, let me, if I can get it out. This, okay. So I actually thought this was one big wide washi. Let me see. Maybe am I right or am I wrong? Haha. I can't get the... There we go. Okay, so they're washi polka dots. I accidentally pulled one off right there. Stuck to the tape. They are pastel washi dots. That's pretty cool. I did think that it was a wide, you know, like this, a wide one with polka dots. But that's okay. I can still work with this. And then as you see, it has 6 more rolls of matching washi. You got the solid teal, pink, purple. That one's like grid type stripes, and then wavy lines, and then little dots there. So that will be fun to play with. Now my idea is going in a different direction for this, since these ended up being washi dots. And let's see if you can see through it, just like washi. But yeah, those are washi dots. How fun is that? So that is another item that I picked up. And where do I start? Okay, so like I said, I got a little bit of everything this time. I was browsing for quite a while, so I picked up this resin mold. Well, there we go. And it is lips. Is it that way? Or? Yeah, that way. Now I have had experience with these. If you see right down in there, it looks curly, but when you put your resin in there, it kind of straightens itself up. I thought a mold was messed up one time, and when I actually put the resin in, it was... Oh, sorry about that, you guys. Okay, so it cut off my speaking and my video. All right, when I put the resin in here, these little curly pieces actually straighten themselves out, and it doesn't look like that once the resin is in. I thought a mold I got in the past was ruined because of how that's made. It's just that it's so thin it does that. So yeah, I got these little lips. They're going to make super cute little embellishments. And then these were individually wrapped. I also grabbed these silicone resin tools. And y'all, let me tell you, I have ordered one of these 3 different times on AliExpress, and I never got not one of them. You know, it was a different store each time. Or no, the first time they said they resent, but I never got it. I tried again somewhere else, never got that one. The last one still says it's on its way, and it's been months. Still never got that one. But I found these on Kobe's website, so I grabbed these. That one has the angled pointed tip, and then this one is kind of tapered. This one has just the rounded point, and then this one has the same tapered tip as the other one. And then, so that's like pink crystals in that one, and that one is white. But I think I saw like green and purple, different ones. So yeah, I went ahead and grabbed a couple of those. And, okay, here we are now to beads and charm. Well, actually, I did get one die. This is the die that I got. It ended up being like ATC size, or maybe a mini card front. I did think it was like a background die and it was going to be bigger, but that is totally okay with me. I'll just have to do something else with it. It doesn't say the dimension. It's like a 2x3 though. And my ruler's in the other room, so I can't measure. Alright, now to the beads and charms. So, go to the bottom. Alright. I picked some bow beads, and actually the ones that I wanted were out of stock when it came time to ship my order, so they asked me to pick something else. So I grabbed these. They're all iridescent finish, all different colors, and the bead hole, if you can see, it's right there in the middle. So those are going to be fun to play with and make dangles. And then I found these. My idea for this, I hope that it'll work. I'm not quite positive. How many were in this? 20 piece. So you get 20. As you can see, they are circles, and the hole goes right down through the middle. So I'm thinking I could punch out, I mean, if they're 1 inch, I can use my 1 inch punch something out, put it on there, and make a charm. Or I could put resin on there with stuff in it. Like, there's just so many different possibilities. Or leave them plain. These are just different kind of beads, so I thought that'd be fun to play with. And you see all different colors: pink, green, yellow, blue, red, I think orange. And then I grabbed these pearl bead mixes. So this one, I don't remember what it was called, but okay, so you can see it's green, peach, white, like a light teal, and then like almost a denim blue color. Is that peach or pink? Okay, and I think it was 100 pieces. I can't remember. So that's one mix that I got. And then I grabbed this mix as well. You've got the white pearls, gold, and then like copper. If you can see that. Love, love, love those. And then I also picked these up. These are 100 piece. This one does say 100 piece. They are like embossed spiral iridescent beads. So I'm not sure if it's picking up. It looks like silver on the camera to me, but those lines are iridescent in person. It's got the hole, and you can see they're like ridges. That's not just design. It's like embossed. That swirl design is embossed all the way around. Yeah, it's looking silver on camera, but they are iridescent, like I said. Let's see if I can pop those back in without making a mess. Look at me. Okay, and then I grabbed, because I got the silicone, and I could also have other ideas for these. I grabbed some of the little eye hooks. I grabbed some in silver and some in gold. 200 pieces. And it was a really great price. They did have those in different sizes, and I got the smaller version. And these, I've seen these before somewhere, you guys. I don't know where. But I remember seeing them in a picture, and they were gorgeous. And I was like, oh my gosh, where did she get those charms? I gotta have them. And then I accidentally found them here. So, look at these beauties. They are gold roses. Gold rose charms. Love, love, love them. Well, I had seen them, and okay, I did receive some. Whoever it was sent me a couple. I can't remember now right off who it was. But yeah, so I found those, and I'm super excited to have them. They are so pretty, and now I have a little bag of them, and I can share. And it is, like I said, it is 20 pieces. Let's see, 2 more items. Let's see here. Okay, so this bag, 10 pieces, and what they are little tassels. They did have single ones. You can get plain colors or mixes. I need to lay these out so they can fluff out better like they're supposed to. But if you can see, they're 3-tiered. They're like those little flower tassels. But they're 3-tiered, so you can use them, you know, as 3. Or you could take them apart for 3 different individual ones by opening that little jump ring there on the top. So it came with, I got the mixed pack. This one is like a, I don't know if it's picking up, but it's 2 different yellows. There's light yellow and then like a more lemon yellow. So that one's a mix. Let's see. And then this one is like a mauve and dark green. Let's see, there's another one like that. Where's the other mix one? Okay, this one's screamed Maggie Holmes to me big time. It's like mustard yellow and peach. I really love that one. Love, love, love it. I think one fell off my desk. Alright, so anyway. And you can buy these in lots of the colors that you want. You don't have to get the mixed bag. You can get just the mixed ones like this that are 2-toned, or you can get the solid. So here is like a bright pink. Here's a baby pink, white, a maroon, black, and a like, not quite mint, but a light green. So those are going to be fun too. And then this box, this is my last one. Okay, sorry guys. So it comes in this little case, just like this. And then inside you have your bases and your domes. And what they are, you can, almost like what I said with these, you can punch out something. Say you want to make a charm to match a collection you have that you don't have a charm for. You know, you can punch it out, glue it in there, and then you could use, there's different things you could use to seal and put the dome on top, so then it looks like that. So, now I wish I would have got gold. Also, I think they did have gold. I'm pretty positive they did. I didn't go too crazy and get too big of a pack because I wanted to try them out first. So yeah, and I love when they have little kits like that that come in a little box together. So you don't have to find somewhere to put them. They've already got a little home. And there you go. It doesn't say how many come in it. It came in this box. But, okay, so that was my Kobe's haul. And as usual, I will link the website in the description box. If you guys are interested in links, I will try my best to get those in the description box as well if you're interested in anything particular here. And I have also a new code for a discount code, and it will be in the description box as well. And yeah, that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.